going on, guys? Just got here today. It's probably around 11:40 now, maybe close to 12. We're here at the biggest pigeon show in the Northeast, and this is the Reading Pigeon Show in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The show is held once a year, always in January, and it's about a 4-day long show. Starts on a Thursday, ends on a Sunday. I'm going to show you guys first the vendors outside that are selling the birds. So I'm not sure what these are. Maybe white homers. And these look like they're going $20 each. So yeah, these are definitely white homers. Oh, he's got a business card here too. Bob's White Pigeons. If you guys are interested in getting some white pigeons, check that out. Over here, we got some more homers, looks like. Different fancy colors. Where you got a mix of stuff. It's like some tipplers too, some caps. There's an almond right here. Pretty sure that's an almond. Pretty cool. Bit cold out, but not as bad as last year. At least it's sunny.
Not too far from here, or are you? No.
How you doing? I think this is Edwin's setup right over here. Let me get that. He got his Budapest that he's had.
40, 60, right?
He's trying to get rid of. He's got a flight in there. So he's got his barrel feeders down here. Oh wow, it goes all the way down to there. Got more flights in here. Don't want to stay out too long, it's kind of cold. So let's walk our way down here, check this out. And then we'll head inside. Got more birds over here. What is Budapest?
No, west of England.
The middle one too?
No, that's the tumbler.
Oh, that's
the middle one is Pakistani.
Oh, that's Pakistani, that's right.
West
Okay.
of England, tumbler, Pakistani.
Yeah, okay, yeah, Pakistani. Yep, that's a Pakistani right there. More west of England, it looks like. Check it out down over here. And then we'll head in.
Everybody's happy.
What's going on? Good. What do we got here?
He's a blogger.
Yeah.
What's your...
I watch his YouTube.
Yeah.
One
Thanks, man.
fantail left. These are parlor rollers. These are Birmingham rollers.
Okay.
And the white ones are homers.
Nice.
So you're Pigeons in Harrisburg? You're from Harrisburg, right?
Well, Williamstown, yeah.
What kind of bloodline are these Birmingham rollers?
Well, I do a lot of racing homers, Indian fantails. I have some satin nets I use for my droppers, but I do a lot of racing.
You do? In Harrisburg?
Well,
That's
yeah,
basically it.
Oh,
50
yeah,
bucks for a parlor roller. Wow.
like the Harrisburg the club.
Yeah, I see that in a nice road. There's like a sign.
How much, or what bloodline are these? Do you know?
I'm in Pine Grove, actually.
I don't know exactly.
Oh,
I
North.
yeah, because I moved to...
the original ones I got were
Okay.
from a guy out
I
in
live
the
in
Midwest.
Williamstown, Tower
Okay.
City.
You fly them?
The
Do you
guy-
fly them?
Huh?
Do you fly them?
Yeah.
I do not
because I
fly.
go to
A
Hampton
little
now.
bit, but just not competition. Just
Got it.
for
They're-
me, for fun.
Yeah, do they roll nice?
I'm sorry.
Some of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think some of them
Well, I
have
used
too
to-
fat and heavy. They don't-
Yeah, yeah,
Too fat.
yeah.
From Hong Kong.
And what we got in here?
These are some more of the Birmingham rollers.
Okay.
And the white ones are all white homing pigeons. They're just real young yet. They're
Got
all
it.
babies
Squeakers,
of
huh?
20, yeah, babies
Okay.
of 24.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
That's it. All right, thank you. Let's head inside. That's it for out here. Work our way inside, show you guys what they have there. So that's it right there. That's the building. Pretty nice inside. I was actually just in. I had to pick up my pre-order from Foy's. I wanted to drop all that stuff off in the car before I start walking around and filming. Check it out. That's the setup. It's a little different than last year. Looks like they pushed everything back more, which is nice. It makes it more spacious up front. Take you guys first to the for sale section. See what they have. Oh, look, check it out. Stacy's got a nice setup over here. Nice setup. What's going on, Stace? How you doing, buddy? Good.
Happy New Year.
You too, buddy. I like the area. It's nice and big, man. You got a lot of space here now. A lot of people here too. You guys already know Stacy has the best merchandise, best apparel when it comes to pigeons. You know, he's got all of his shirts, hoodies, sweaters, hats. You know, shirts starting at $10. Can't beat that. Check out the cap he's got on right now. Got bands over here, stickers, a little bit of everything. This is the for sale section. And last time there were cages over here too, but this time it's not as many. So it looks like the cages are just back up over here. Got Indian fantails going for 40. German owl 20. We got Jansen bloodline racing homers going for 30. Claims they're a pure strain, inbred. Check them out. They're nice looking. Over here we got some Swifts. Also, there's more fantails down here.
I like this one.
More homers and stuff. Let's go around.
We went back in the summer and he failed.
Northeast Pigeon.
What's going on, buddy? How you doing, man?
Follow you on
Thanks, man.
Facebook and
Nice.
YouTube, see all your videos and all that, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, nice to see you here.
Where are you from?
I used to fly birds up in Brooklyn.
Oh, okay.
I moved down here now. I lived about half hour east of here.
Oh, all right. So
I
you're
used
on
to fly-
PA.
I used to fly a lot of, remember all the homers? I used to have homers. I did away with it.
You getting
I
back
still-
into it, or you still
I
have
still
it?
got my loft.
Oh, nice.
So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to come up here and see what I find.
There
If
you
I
go.
can get my hands on some birds and pigeons.
What are you thinking about? What kind of breed? What do you want to?
You know what? I like crystals. I see that crystal that you have.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
a nice bird.
Yeah.
That's a really nice bird.
So you think you can go back with homers though? That's what you want to stick
Yeah, I
with?
want to start with. I want to stick
Okay.
with homers.
Okay. Cool.
I used to have a lot of flights up in New York, yellow flights and all that.
Yeah.
But I want to get back into it. I miss them.
Nice.
You just got back.
I just got back after like 15 years,
Yeah,
man, without
yeah,
birds. You
I
know,
know.
Logan came through with 6 young homers. I'm down to 2. I picked one up from another buddy, so 3.
Yeah.
And then I just picked up that pair of Cuban Thief powders.
The one you just got.
Yeah,
I saw
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
But yeah, man, I got to get back into it, man. It's been a few years.
You're gonna be around today for a little bit? Are you heading
Yeah,
out?
yeah,
soon?
I just got
Well, you
here.
live close, so it's like
I just got here about
perfect,
a few
man.
minutes ago.
What was your
All
name?
day. Jesus.
Jesus. Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you, man. He's my buddy Jack.
How you doing, Jack?
How you doing? He's another one. He flies birds.
What do you have, Jack?
I got like Van Loons.
Oh, so the homers.
yeah.
Yeah. You race or you just fly? Oh, you race. Oh, where you live?
Kennedy Square.
Is that PA too?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I'm about a half hour from here.
Oh, nice. Big loft, big setup.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Scott, man. I could move inside his loft. His loft is like probably the size of this room.
Wow, man. Well, you guys will be around, right?
Yeah, we'll
Maybe
be
I'll
around.
catch you later because I want to do more loft tours and interviews. If that's something you guys are interested in, I'll come down, ask you some questions, check out your setup, share your knowledge so other people can learn. And that's it, you know? So,
Up be around. I'll catch up to you.
Thanks, Jack. Yeah, thanks, guys.
Good
I'll see you
seeing
around.
man.
Yep.
Take it easy.
Yep. We're here. Excuse me. Got Nelson's birds over here. West of England's. Some saddle homers. Oh, these are Joe's. Okay, these are Joe's birds. His Modinas. Okay. Damn, man. I'm disappointed. Joe didn't even bring a lock. Figured you would know better. These look like just white homers, maybe kings. Interesting right here. What are these, like Damascenes, I want to say, maybe? You got your flights from Dimitri. What are these bronzies right here? Some more birds here. You got pairs going for $80. It's kind of crowded. Let's come back this way. Got some catbirds in here. Looks like the Fugazi tumblers, I want to say. Could be wrong. Right? These aren't nuns, are they? I'm not sure. Probably all Nelson's birds. Got some, it's like homers down there. More of Nelson's birds over here. Got his swifts here, Egyptian swifts. This pattern as well. It's another pattern of swifts. It's really hard to get good footage of these birds when they're in cages. Got frillbacks over here. Never liked these things. I don't know why. Just never big into them. What's that? Got homers, show homers. These birds are bigger in size than your racing homers. Oh wow, Bill Jaycox is here, so he brought some birds too. We got these funny looking powders. I'm not sure what kind. Not my thing. Some more tumblers here. Portuguese tumbler. Okay. Portuguese tumblers going for $20 each. You got Joe over here. Young Joe, young fancier. What you got over here, man? What'd you pick up?
I got a baby homer.
From-
Actually, he gifted it to me.
Oh, nice. Nice, man. All white, huh?
Yeah, I got some powders, peanuts.
What kind of powders did you get?
I don't know. I forgot, but they're big booties.
Nice.
Yeah. I'm trying to look for the guy that has the Chinese owls. I can't find him.
Oh, okay. All right, Joe. I'll see you around.
All right, I'll see you.
Yep. Too many birds here, man. I'm still trying to figure out what is what. Alright. So that's the for sale section, so you have an idea. What's going on, buddy?
How you doing, man?
Good, man.
Right here. My name is Abu.
Oh.
I'm the guy, right, that he was telling you about last year. He watching the station, man, since you kicked it off, bro.
Oh,
Right,
yeah.
So I was telling him I would stay around.
We got foys right here. See, they got the long feeders here.
We have 3
There's one for $46. Got a medium size for $32. You got like these dowel feeders, $24. Oh, this is actually nice. Look at that. This is